Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Trust Wallet to your PC. Trust Wallet is primarily designed as a mobile application, so a direct connection isn't a native feature. However, you can easily access and manage your crypto assets on a desktop by importing your wallet to a compatible browser extension or desktop application. This guide will walk you through the simple steps to achieve this, ensuring you can manage your digital assets conveniently from your computer. Before we dive into the connection process, a few crucial preparation steps are necessary. First, make sure your Trust Wallet mobile application is fully updated to its most recent version. More importantly, securely back up your 12-word or 24-word recovery phrase. This phrase is your master key. Next, select a trusted desktop wallet or browser extension that supports importing existing wallets, and then install it on your personal computer. Now, let's get your wallet imported. Open the desktop wallet or browser extension you just installed on your computer. Look for an option like Import Wallet or Restore Wallet and select it. You will then be prompted to enter your recovery phrase. Carefully type in your 12-word or 24-word phrase, ensuring every word is correct. Finally, create a strong, unique password to secure your newly imported desktop wallet. Congratulations! Your Trust Wallet assets are now fully accessible and manageable directly from your personal computer through the desktop interface. You can seamlessly send, receive, and even swap various cryptocurrencies. Remember to always double-check all transaction details before confirming any actions to ensure accuracy and security. Most importantly, continue to keep your recovery phrase absolutely private and never, under any circumstances, share it with anyone. Happy managing!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.